Hello everyone, this is Fazlur Rahman here from codebook.in. Hope you're enjoying my project videos. Today I brought you a new project on e-commerce domain. There are many things are there, okay, to check in this particular application. There are multiple sellers will be there, multiple customers will be there, and many products in different categories, especially in electronics, which is nothing but gadgets. And we are going to analyze here reviews, okay, whether the buyer is certified buyer or not, whether the review is okay, genuine review or fake review. That classification also we are going to do in this project. So many things are there. Let's get started. This is the landing page of our project. Let me tell you what are the technologies which we are using in this project. Is nothing but we are using for front-end development, we are using here HTML5, CSS3, JavaScript, and for backend programming, we are using here Python along with the Django framework, which is the topmost framework in Python. And for database, we are using MySQL. There are three different types of users are there in this project. One is the administrator, second is the seller, and third is the customer. So we will see each and every actions of all these three users one by one, step by step. Okay, let's see the project execution. To get started, to have a better project flow, I will open these three users in three different tabs. Let me open this first administrator, and second I will open in seller in new tab, and third tab I'll open in customers. First of all, let's go to seller and try to register a new seller here. So let's provide the details, contact information of the seller, email ID of the seller, and the password, Aadhaar photo for registration process to be okay authorized. Let's upload the Aadhaar photo as I don't have any photo. So what I'll do is nothing but I'll select some photo here, and GST photo I'll select some random photo because that is not mandatory. Next, upload profile photo. Now this is my profile for an instance. Register. You can see registration is completed successfully. Let's go and try to log in with these credentials. Okay, login is successful now. We have been logged in successfully. So this is the dashboard of the seller, where we can see how many total products are there in different categories and brands in the database. Let's go to product management here and try to add some new product. Product name, I'll give here something, model, brand, okay, category comes under mobile, original price is 1,65,000, suppose, discounted price is 1,35,000. Okay, complete photo of the product. Let's upload the complete photo of the product here. Photo 2. 5 different photos we need to upload of the same product. About the phone, something. Let's add product. Product is added successfully. Let's go to product management and all products. You can see in my account, there is one product added here, 18% discount. And Here you can see some, okay, options have been given. If you want, we can edit this product or we can delete. Let's click on edit here. Whatever information you want to update, you can update here apart from product name and model, and rest of the things can be updated. Now here, let's go to customer and try to register a new customer here. Under customer registration, let's register a customer. Profile photo. Register. Password should not less than 6 characters. Okay. Registration is completed successfully. Let's try to log in. And login successful. Okay, this is my home page. After login, if I scroll down below, I will be able to see some sort of static data here about the gadgets, different gadgets here. This is the static data we have given. And you can see here iPhone 15 Pro is also available. This is static data. Now here, let's go to products. And we will find here so many different products are available, which are added from the database. And pagination is also given here, 1 of 3. Let's go to the last page and check out. Here it is, our product which we have added from the Cellar is available. We can, okay, watch this, or we can, okay, add it to the wish list. Let's click on this watch list, and iPhone 15 Pro, the details are displaying. 1,35,000 here, 18% discount, available in stock. Quantity, how many you want to buy, you can select or, okay, provide here. Add to cart option is there if you want to browse many products, or add to wish list is there. And buy now option is there here, directly if you want to buy. And about this product is there, and card details, what are the cards accepted, shipping and returns, 7-day returns, product review is there. Okay. And if you scroll like this here, you will see a dynamic, okay, product review here, image of the image. Second image is this. Third image is this. Fourth image is this. Fifth image is this. So this is the complete, a realistic kind of environment we have given here to check the, okay, product details. Are reviews for this product? No reviews are there. Let's try to provide some review here without purchasing it. Let's try to provide here some review. This product is not good as previous models. Submit review. And the review will be submitted. But here you can see under all review for this product, there is a user who has given a review. And here the option it says is uncertified buyer. This buyer is, this reviewer is not certified buyer, because he did not purchase the product, but still he has provided the review. So this information will be helpful for other users, other customers to decide the product review. Now, here we can provide in Hindi also. Hindi also it's possible. Hindi review also, because in India, mostly Hindi reviews are also considered in Hindi speaking states. Let's see how we can provide Hindi Okay, review here. Very nice product. Let's copy this, paste here, submit review. And if we scroll down below, you can see here, बहुत अच्छा उत्पाद. So this is also uncertified buyer. So Hindi review is also possible to provide here and English. The main concept here is nothing but if we provide in other language like Hindi, how the sentiment analysis will be done. Sentiment analysis is nothing but this review, whether it comes under positive, negative, neutral, very positive, very negative, like that. Now, let's go and go to our add to cart option, add to cart. And now if I go to here, my shopping cart, okay, I have added in my wish list also. Let's go to my wish list and delete from here. Yes, I want to delete. Now go to shopping cart. Here is the cart you can see, one product, quantity is one. If you want to delete this, you can delete. And if you want to proceed with the checkout, you can click on this option here, proceed to checkout. And proceed to payment option. This is the delivery information, billing information. Proceed to payment. Let's proceed. We have provided here a page about the order list history. Assume that the payment has been done. Okay. Assume that the payment, because we have not integrated any payment, the payment integration has to be done. Assume that the payment has been done. Now in the order list history, okay, my orders, here I can see the product details and I have the option here to review the product. Let's go and review the product here. Let's provide the review. Very nice product. I like it very much. Submit. And you can see now it says certified buyer because this review is given after the buyer has, okay, after the customer has bought the purchase. Bought the product. So in this way, we can categorize the fake reviews. Okay. Now let's see in Hindi also if you provide worst product. Submit. And you can see here, सबसे खराब उत्पाद, but this is a certified buyer. Now, we can do one thing here that one product must have only one review. Okay. A particular customer, if he buys, then only he should provide the review. That also categorization can be done, but that is not the major part here. What we are trying to showcase in our project is nothing but how reviews can be categorized based on purchased and how the sentiment analysis will be done based on language. These two things. Now let's go to, okay, my profile we have not seen. Let me show you the my profile here. If you want anything, you can update here. The profile is updated. My orders. Okay. So in products, if you want, you can search here. Now let's go to seller account and check here in the customer management. If you go view customers, and we can see here, if we scroll down, here is the customer and order management view orders. We have got one order for this product. Okay, one quantity, one order is there. Under review management, seller can check the reviews. Okay, feedback product wise. Okay, he can check the, here it is. This product is not good as previous model. This product is not good as previous model. Uncertified buyer. Okay, negative review he has given. Negative neutral review he has given here. Uncertified buyer. 2 times uncertified buyer. Okay. Now view feedback order wise. And we can see positive reviews here from the user. Hindi review as well as English review. Both are there. Customer name, order product review in English, in Hindi, certified buyer or not, order product sentiment, and ordered product expression. So both this is very positive, this is neutral. So the sentiment analysis we are doing here. Okay, Hindi review. This is the Hindi review. For Hindi review also, we are providing the sentiment analysis using machine learning concept. Now let's go to administrator and check what are the things are there in admin. Let's log into admin account using admin credentials. Login successful. There is a huge information available in admin dashboard. First of all, here number of customers. Okay, number of customer using Snapcart is 15. Number of sellers request is in pending. Number of sellers registered in Snapcart. Number of sellers request declined by admin. Number of products in Snapcart. Number of genuine reviews. Number of ordered product by customers. Number of fake reviews for a product. And this is the categorical and brand wise information. Let's go to view accepted sellers here. We can see the information and seller's request is there. We can see here the information and customer management is there. We can see here view customers. Product management is there. We can see here view products. Okay. And order management view orders is there. This order from this customer. Review management view reviews feedback uncertified buyers of Hindi also. Okay. Uncertified buyers. If we click on view, we can see here the chart here, fake review representation based on product wise. Very positive one, negative one, neutral two. Similarly, we have view feedback order wise certified buyers. Okay, view. This is also a chart. So this is the administrator part. So this was the complete project execution and explanation. Hope you have understood the concept of the project very clearly. And if you have any doubts, still any issues are there, you can get back to me. Okay, my number has been given. You can ping me on WhatsApp directly. With this, I conclude the project execution. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye for now.